Hello everyone, I hope this video finds you to the very best of your health. It's my uni break, but I've got an exam on Tuesday. Let's forget about it right now. So I'm on uni break right now, and I woke up this morning to the feeling of going for a swim. So I thought, why not, like, if I feel like going for a swim, so I should go for a swim. And by the way, I'm allergic to chlorine, so every time I go to swim, I sneeze, I cough and all that, but it's okay because I want to go for a swim. So I thought today when I'm going for a swim I should take you guys also along. It's fun to swim, it's really fun, but then the allergy thing is a bit kind of scary, but not so scary. But because I want to go for a swim, I will go for a swim. So yeah, I hope you guys are having an amazing day too and making the most of your days and times and days and everything. Having my swimming dress under my abaya, and it kind of looks like funny, but it's okay. I don't mind. I really don't mind. Polish, see me here. What's going on? It's work is going on here, and it's just okay. It's work is going on here, and I need to wait before I go. Okay. We're good now. And slow. The traffic controller is saying to slow down. And I'll slow it down. Yep. All good. Life is good. Everything is well. I'm trying to park my car. I've just reached. Let's park here. So yeah, I've reached the swimming place and I'll go inside now, and once I'm done I'll just go home and relax and maybe prepare myself for the exam a bit. See you guys. And I'm done with swimming here. I'm ready to go home. So I've just been done with swimming and I'm going home. It is, I don't know, some work is going on here. That's why we've got like some traffic controllers just asking us to slow down and all. But yeah, it's all good now. Oh, damn, it's all good. Okay, I had to go from there because yeah, I'm not at so nice. And the good thing is that what I'm so surprised about is that I'm not coughing today. So I have allergy to chlorine. Every time I go to swimming, once I come back, I feel really sick. I feel sick, but I'm not sick, but still I cough, and it's because of the allergy. But today I'm not coughing at all, which is really amazing and which is surprising to me. But yeah, the only good thing that I see today. I'm gonna park now, head home, eat something, practice for exam. I've got my exam.